In this video, I want to talk about long gold against the Australian dollar. Specifically, I'm looking to add to this position. So you can see that after the profit-taking candlestick, the price has actually held quite strongly, and now it's looking to break higher. Also, the long tail on this candlestick kind of implies to me that a lot of the selling pressure has been soaked up and the price is still going back up. Another thing that I think is quite interesting is that small caps are breaking down. They're at a pretty critical support line right now, and it looks like it's going to break through that. Another indication of risk off is the S&P 500 coming down. So really looks like gold is breaking to new highs. Gold silver ratio is not really relevant at this stage. System wise, it is a trend trade, so it fits the gains system, gains strategy. Correlation wise, there's an increase in precious metals exposure if I take this position. Technical wise, it is breaking to new highs, and the profit taking candlestick was followed by continued strength. Now, I think there's going to be the probabilities that I would look at is a 20% chance of this going to 2,600. Up there, 20% chance on to 2,400. There, 40% chance that it goes nowhere, 10% chance it goes to 2,000, and a 10% chance that it goes to 1,900. So I'm fairly bullish on this trade. Now, as always, if the price moves up, I'll hold on to the trade. If the price moves down, I'll get out within 3 days. My psychology was fairly neutral. And in conclusion, I think this is a pretty good trade to be on, and I'm looking to add to it. In terms of what is actually what I'll be looking to do, it is to enter around the 2,285 level, which is what it is at now, with a stop loss at 1950, around there. And I'll be risking 1.34% of my capital. Return on risk, it's not looking too good, but for this particular strategy, I'm not really reading too much into return on risk ratios or time frames, just trying to ride the trend. Now, that's going to essentially double my gold against Australian dollar risk, bringing it to 2.68, which is still decent, and I'm happy to have that kind of exposure. So that's really this position in a nutshell. Thank you for listening.